So last class we discussed how to create if you understand last class, that is very simple. That's it. Almost we can understand entire Terraform, how we can declare, how we can add resources and all. So last class mostly we created, right, resources. So we created one EC2 resource, EC2, and we created one subnet VPC also, right? We created one VPC, and VPC, and we created subnets also, subnets, and we created one route table, RT, and we created one internet gateway, IGW, and we created one security group also, security group. So if you know manually how to create these right, resources in AWS, same thing we can implement with the help of Terraform also, with the help of Terraform also. So anyone any doubt? So yesterday class, let's come to here. So how it will work? So my class, here we created, right, so security group and all, and so this is the main file VPC. So under first we created one VPC, same CI, CID or black, instant tenancy default. This is the optional only. These all are optional. If you want to, we can add it full-fledged. Now security subnet resource AWS underscore subnet, and how to get this my VPC ID with the help of AWS underscore VPC resource name, and this is my local name and ID. If you use this one, you will get this ID. Okay, this VPC ID. This is the subnet CACD block and availability zone 1A and tag name. Same way subnet 2. Same as security group. So AWS underscore security underscore group, and we can give any name and description and VPC ID. Which VPC you want to create subnet? So under this VPC. And this is the ingress. Which port number you want to allow? From port to port, someone is joined. So some port to port, from port 22 to port, and TCP protocol remaining same only. And same way route table, how to create route table, AWS underscore route underscore table, and so under so which VPC, same my VPC. Next internet gateway. So this is the VPC. Under VPC I need to create my internet gateway, and how to attach, so association, right? So if you want to attach, this is the route, AWS underscore route, this is the table, this is the route underscore table, and this is the route. So if you go here, route table ID, first I get route table dot id, and so destination I want. And if you want to attach your internet gateway, so gateway dot id, this is the AWS underscore internet icon, this is the gateway and id, that's why assigning to that router. Subnet association, if you want to associate subnet, same AWS underscore route underscore table underscore association, and we can give any name, and subnet id, get subnet id, and route table id, that's it. Just practice, these are very simple only. And today we'll see so one more new concept, so variables. So today we'll see our variables, so how to declare variable and how it will work. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Now I'm going to declare very important variables. Variables. Okay. So I want to declare some variables. So how to declare variable? So generally in Jenkins also we are declaring variable. Ansible also we are declaring some variables. Right? So variable means that is a string, right? We can declare any variable, integer variable, map variable. There is different types of variables available in Terraform also. So even if you type variables in Terraform, variables in Terraform. So here also same concept only. So here also same concept only, variables. So if you want to declare any variable, so these are the types of variables. So input variable, output variable, and local variable. So there is three types of variables available in Terraform. Okay. So how many types variables, guys? Three types. So these are the three types of variables. So Terraform, so variables. There is three types of variable. One is input variable. One is input variable and output variable. Output means printing purpose. Output variable and input means we are declaring variable. Third one is local variable. Local, local variable. Last time also they asked this question. What are the types of variables in Terraform and how it will declare? So how many types, guys? Three types. So local input variable, output variable, local variable. Input, output, and local variable. So now we'll see how it will work. This is very simple only, but we need to understand how it will work. Now go to here. Already we used provider, right? Just I'm go to provider. I'm copying paste every time. No need to write. So paste it. Control V. So provider. I don't want this and all. So I don't want a key and all. If you don't want, we can remove. Just we want to understand how it will work. Very simple. I don't want this and all. So this I hope everyone you understand it. This is the provider and create. So this is what is this purpose? Easy to instance. Clear instance. And so this is the provider. This is the providers. Now, as of now, I given hard coding. See here, AWS access key, secret key, and region and all. I don't want, but real time, we are not giving a hard coding. So we are going to split so multiple ways. We are going to split so we are going to split multiple files and we are declaring so variables. So now see here same thing. I am going to declare so via variables. So via variables. How it will work and all. So we'll see. So these are the variables. Now clear? Yesterday, right? So now we can create one file. So we can create one file and I am going to declare all these things, whatever you want. So now this is the easy to write. I given AMI hard coding. I given instance type hard coded, right? So instead of hard coding in real time, we are creating. So variables. So we are creating variables. Already I shared one document with you, right? So in that document also we can check this file. There is a concept variables. Under variables we can understand how many ways. Terraform. Okay, here I shared this document, right? There is a one folder variables. This is the input variable, output variable, and local variables for your reference only. So first manually try. If we have any doubt, we can refer this document. So input variable. So input variable means so if you want to declare any variable, and so these are the variables. So like this we can declare. So we see variable name, and variable name, and variable name, description, type, default equal to what you want. So default what you want. Same way I am also going to declare one file here. This is my folder, right? So go to my folder. So here is I created. This is the D drive, my directory. So under this my classes here under variables. So this is the provider. Anyone any doubt, guys, here? This is the provider file. And as of now I declare hard coding. I don't want hard coding. I want to declare separation. So real time each and everything we are going to separate multiple files. Okay. Now I am going to declare one more file. So that is file name is so variables. So go to this path. Now I am going to declare so notepad control plus plus notepad. So variables notepad. variable. So we can give so name. So what name we can give? So extension should be so tf only. Extension should be tf only. Variables dot tf. Tf means Terraform file. So now so we can declare variables. Whatever you want, we can declare variables. Now I am giving, for example, variable declare variable. Okay. Now this is the syntax variable. So variable space variable name. We can give any name. And so this is the open curly brace and flower bracket, closing flower bracket. So here we can type so whatever you want. So this is the right. So now this is my file. What is my previous file? Where is this? This is my previous file, right? What is this provider? This one, which one? Our file. This one provider. This one, right? Now here I declare a hard coded, right? Instead of declaring hard coding, okay, I want to declare file. So how to declare, guys? This is the AMI, right? We can give any name. So for example, I declare one variable name. So dev underscore AMI, IAM, right? AMI, AMI. Whatever name we can give it. This is your name. This is the your name, right? Okay. Next type equal to. So this is a which type, guys? So string, integer, boolean. There is many types available in. So first we need to understand. So first come to here types of variables, and so already we open here, right? So input variable, default variable, arguments, and default type, and see here string type, number type, boolean type. Anyone? String means anyone, guys? What is string? String means
Character.
any name, right? Any name, right? Double quotation. If you pass anything in double quotation, that is string. String is nothing but so string is nothing but we can give. For example, I given so Terraform. This is a string. For example, I given my name. This is the I given like this. This is the string. Double quotation or single quotation, it is treated as string. Integer means number, right? 0 to 0 to 9. We can give any number. Boolean means
What?
true or false. This is the basic. We need to understand this is the basic. String means anything. We can pass a double quotation. String means we can pass a double quotation whatever we want. So this is nothing but a string. Same way, I am going to declare here also. So now this is my variable. Variable I want to declare my VMI. This is the which type, guys. We are giving which format we are giving, double quotation or double quotation, right? Now what is this? This is a string or not? అర్థమవుతుందా? నేను డబుల్ కొటేషన్లో పాస్ చేశాను. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ మీనింగ్?
String.
Yes, type equal to string. That's it. Type equal to string. Whatever you want, we can give. Next, default I need. Default I want to give. So what I need to give? So this is my AMI. I want to use my AMI. I want to use this AMI. That's it. So default I am giving so my AMI. That's it. Now see here, very simple. Same only, I am splitting multiple files. So multiple files. Now I am going to declare one more variable. One more variable. So what is variable name? Variable and variable name instance type. Okay, dev underscore ins underscore type. Okay, I declare one more variable, and so here also type equal to string. Next, default default I want to give what is here, which instance type I am using, t2 underscore t2 dot micro, right? T2 dot micro. Now go to here. Okay. Now that's it. Now I declare my variable. Just understand, very simple only. So now I declare variables. We can give, this is your local name. We can give any name, guys. Type equal to string and default equal to I given, variable equal to I declare two variable. Now how to call this in our file? This is my file, right? So now I declare variable. Now is it working? అర్థమవుతుందా? I declare variable, but so did I call that in my here providers? No, right? See, try to understand that. So I declare variable. If a run means it is taking a hard coding value or variable value. ఏ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు దీనిలోకి? ఈ వాల్యూ తీసుకుంటుందా వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూ కాల్ చేస్తుందా? జస్ట్ ఐ డిక్లేర్, బట్ హౌ టు కాల్ గైస్? రమ్య, ఇప్పుడు నేను డిక్లేర్ చేశాను, దాన్ని నేను ఎలా కాల్ చేస్తాను? వేరియబుల్ డాట్ వేరియబుల్ డాట్ నేమ్. So now this is my variable name, right? This is my variable name, right? Clear? This is my variable name. Okay. Now if you go here, now if you go to here, so now remove this one. Now remove this one. Now how to call that variables? నేను రిమూవ్ చేశాను. ఆల్రెడీ ఐ డిక్లేర్ దిస్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఇన్ మై వేరియబుల్ ఫైల్. So I am not going to do any hard coding. If you want to call this one, we are where that this name dot. Now got it? అర్థమవుతుందా?
ID.
Yes, that is we need to pass it. Now tell me, var dot var dot var dot. What is the name? This one. Okay. Now here also var dot var means I am calling my variable. That is nothing but syntax. var dot. What is the variable name here? I declare dev underscore ami. Dev underscore ami. That's it. Dev underscore so ami. Now try to run it. How it will work? Now see here. Dir. Now cls terraform first init command. Something missing. Where I missing? AWS underscore instance EC2 test. Something missing. Where it is? This is started variables. It is correct only. And where it is missing? Tag here, right? See here. One more flower bracket missing. So he started here, ended here, started here. I missed one more. When the okay. Now see here. Terraform init. So real time we can see multiple files. Now I am going to split the one file. Very simple only. Okay. Next command terraform validate. Now terraform plan. Now check it. So whether really it is calling our variable's name or not. Now see here, add to one resource. Now check it here also we can understand. So what instance type, which is it is coming? It is hard coded value or it is that value coming from variable file. At least guess it. See here. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది ఇది? Which file? This value coming from which file? Anyone? ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఈ ఫైల్ ఎన్ని నుండి వచ్చింది? ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఎక్కడి నుండి వచ్చినాయి? Hello. So I have two files, right? I have two files. One is provider file and one is also variable files. So this is the provider file and this is a variable file. Here I am calling in the provider variable dot dev underscore ami. So this value coming from which file?
Provider.
So this is coming from variable dot tf file, right? So నాకు యాక్చువల్ వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ డిక్లేర్ చేశాను? సి హియర్ ఓన్లీ, రైట్? సి 686 ఆ వాల్యూ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? సో నాకు వేరియబుల్ ఫైల్ నుంచి వచ్చింది వేరియబుల్ డాట్ టీఎఫ్ ఫైల్. నౌ సేమ్ వే here also hard coded. Now tell me region is hard coded, right? I am going to declare one more variable. Tell me variables, variable and variable name dev underscore region I given. Next declare variable. So this is also string, right? Type equal to string. Type equal to string. And so default I need what I default I want to set what is that region here provider. Go to this provider, remove this one. I don't want this one. Just remove this one. Cut and go to here. Just paste it. Now how to call this variable in our provider? Now tell me how to call here. How to call? How to call variable in our file? Same syntax. What Ashish? Same way. Tell me how to call Chandrasekhar. VR dot. Next, VR means variables. I am calling my variables from variable file. VR dot name. What is the name here? Dev underscore region.
This.
అర్థమవుతుందా? Very simple only. Just try to understand. So I declare all variables in my variable file. If you want to call any variable, so this is the syntax. VR dot. Now check it again. Now go to here. Now give region. So region here it is coming. Okay, same only. Now this is the tag name, ID, everything. So Terraform plan. Now see here, same way. Like this, if you want to declare any variable. Now there is output, right? Output means now you know input variable. How to declare input? These all are the output variable or input variable. At least guess it. There is three types of variables, right? Input variable, output variable, local variable. Now these are the input variable. If you want to print anything, if you want to print anything, what is the variable? Output variable. Now see here. So if you want to print anything, output variable. So how we can declare? So like this, output, output. So output, and we can give any name. Value equal to we can give like this. అర్థమవుతుందా? Now same I am copying. See here. I want to print. See here. Output. I want to print. Which one we want to print? Tell me. I want to print AMI. So print AMI. Just I mean whatever name we can give it. So now what is the syntax? Value equal to how to print, guys? This one. How to print? నాకు ప్రింట్ కావాలి. ఇది ఎలా ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది? This is the syntax. See here. If you want to print value equal to output, whatever you want, we can print. Many ways we can use it. Now I am using so print. If you want to know more about so here also, so there is where is that one? There is many example available. Just refer here how it will work under Terraform and Terraform. Where is this? My here variables. There is a variables. There is output variable. Okay. So in the output variable, if you want to print anything, so we can print like this. See here. So we can print whatever you want. Whatever you want. So print. They are printing public IP. They are printing instance public IP. Now see here. Whatever you want, we can print public IP. Just close it. Variables. I am printing after creating my instance. After creating my instance, I need public IP. EC2 underscore public IP, AWS underscore EC2 and AWS underscore instance dot. They are giving this one. Clear? So before that, what is this name here? We need to call this one. This is my name. Don't give that name. It won't work. Okay, we need to give my name. Okay, public IP. Now see here, I am giving. So after my instance is launched, I need my public IP. I want to print it. Now see here, EC2 instance private IP. They want to private IP also. See here, they are using private IP. Now how it will work, we'll see. So like this, if you want to print anything, so we can use the output variable. If you want to print security group, anyway, I am not using security group, right? Now see here, two variables I declare. We can give any name, guys. Here, you can give any name. We can give any name. We can give any name. Now got it? Clear? Anyone any doubt? Now run it. So now we can understand. Now I am using Terraform. If any validate, just check it. Okay. Now Terraform plan. Same only. Plan means this is output only, right? So we cannot see. Now I'm going to run. Before run, so let me come to our AWS. Let me log in my AWS. AWS console login. So go to here. So click on whether instance is creating or not. Just check it. Now now see here, plan is done. Now see here, private IP, known after apply. What is this meaning, guys? Known after apply means అంటే మనం అప్లై కమాండ్ అప్లై చేస్తే దెన్ ఓన్లీ విల్ గెట్ ప్రైవేట్ ఐపీ పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ. ఐ హోప్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్ రైట్. యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ లాంచ్డ్ ఆర్ నాట్, అట్లీస్ట్ గెస్ ఇట్. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టెన్స్ మనకు క్రియేట్ అయిందా లేదా? సి డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఇన్స్టెన్స్? నో రైట్. పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ ప్రైవేట్ ఐపీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయి? చంద్రశేఖర్, ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ అవుతున్నాయి కదా. సో నవ్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ టెరాఫార్మ్ అప్లై. నవ్ యూ కెన్ సీ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. Terraform apply. Okay. Now I'm using so apply command. Now once after my instance is launched, if you want to print anything, see very simple. Now see here I am giving yes. I am giving yes. After my instance is launched, now we can see we can print public IP and private IP. We can see both. Now see here, బిఫోర్ మనకి ప్లాన్లో ఏమొచ్చింది? సి నోన్ ఆఫ్టర్ అప్లై. ఇప్పుడు నాకేమొచ్చింది? పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ. హౌ ఐ గెట్ పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద అవుట్పుట్. అవుట్పుట్ మీన్స్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ ఎనీథింగ్. మీకు ఏం ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలంటే అది అవుట్పుట్లో రాసుకోవచ్చు. వెరీ సింపుల్. అవుట్పుట్ మీన్స్ లైక్ ఎకో. లైనెక్స్లో మనం ఎకో అంటాం కదా. యాన్సిబుల్లో ఏం రాశారు మీరు? ఎంఎస్సి రాశారా? ఎంఎస్సి. If you want to print anything, got it? Debug MSC. Clear? Same way in Terraform, if you want to print anything in console, what is the variable? What is the variable? Output. So input means this is a variable. If you want to declare any variable, input variable. If you want to print anything, output. Very simple. If you want to print anything, output. That's it. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? How to declare output variable? Whatever you want, we can print it. Whatever you want, we can print it. Now I print. So AWS underscore instance dot EC2 underscore test. So where is this? This is my instance name. If you go here, see here, AWS underscore instance dot ec2 underscore test dot public IP means we'll get public IP. If you want to private IP, we'll get private IP. If you want to private IP, we'll get private IP. So like this, so output variables and all declare whatever you want. So we can declare so output variable. Clear? Got it? Anyone any doubt here? Clear? Yes. So Chandrasekhar, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to here. I am going to secret key. This is the secret key. This is also hard coded. I don't want a hard coded. What I need to do? If you want to, I don't want hard coding here. So go to variables and declare. Just I am giving so variable and I am giving. I don't want hard coding. Now got it. I don't want hard coding in my main file. This is the access. Correct. We can give any name. Access underscore key and secret underscore key. Secret underscore key. Next, what is this? This is a string or a number type. Type equal to string only. Next, default. Uh, Now I am giving, so I don't want here. Just cut here. Control X, cut and go to here. Go to variable file. Just paste it here. That's it. Next, secret. Same way. So this is also secret. Okay, this is also strike. What is this? I don't want. Go to this file. Cut this here. Control X. Go to your variable file. Just paste it. Now how to call key? This is the secret key, right? Secret key, access key. Now how to call this in my file? Now var dot. Now tell me var dot. What is the name here? Whatever name. For example, if I give key means key, secret means secret. That's it. Don't confuse here. So now just key only. So go to here, variable dot key, here variable dot secret. That's it. I hope you understand, right? How to declare. Anyone any doubt? Input variable. So like this
No,
in
sir.
real time also we are declaring the same way. Interval also they are asking, so what are the variables in Terraform? Input variable, output variable, local variable. Now, so mostly these are common only. Input and output variable common, everyone know. What is local variable? Mostly they are asking this question. So what is so local variable and how it will work? అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear? Local variable means now you know input variable, you know output variable. So what is local variable and how it will work? So local variable is nothing but right? We can use same name multiple times. Simply, if you want to understand, we can use same name, same name, same name multiple times. I don't want to declare every time multiple times within the model, multiple times anywhere, multiple times within the model instead of right repeating expression. Repeat the So now see here, same name. We can use same name multiple times within the module or anywhere. Wherever you want, we can use. This is a local variable. So local variable, this is also same only. And if you want to, we can so use multiple times. See here, local variables. So this is for your understanding dry. Why principle? What is local variable? See, Local block defines one or more variables within the model, and local variables assign the name to an so Terraform expression allowed to be used multiple times within the model without repeating it. So if you don't want to repeat again and again, I want to declare only one variable. And if you want to use many times, so that case we should declare the local variable. I hope you understand, right? I don't want to declare every time. Same variable I want to use multiple times in my model or anywhere. That is your wish. So that case you should go for local variables. See here, if you want to use it multiple times within the model without repeating it, so that case we should go for local variables. And if you want to declare any local variable, so these are the example. First, so now see here variables and version. Open this one. Now see here, they are using. We need to use local. These all are the regular variables or local variables. These all are the regular or local variable, input variable. These are the local variable or regular variable. At least guess it. These are the normal variables or local variables. As of now, we declare same way, right? Which variables these are? So if you want to, we can use like this local. See here, these are the normal regular variables only, input variables only. If you want to declare local variable, we need to use locals, and we can declare anything. And if you want to call, so local dot variable name. Confuse అవుతుంది. See here. నేను ఎలా కాల్ చేశాను రెగ్యులర్ వేరియబుల్ డాట్ how we are calling these variables. If you want to call anywhere variable dot variable dot name, right? Variable dot so name, correct? Name. So if you want to declare local variables, if you want to declare local variable, locals is the one block. Locals is the one block. Under this block, we are going to declare. That's it. See, very simple. So under this, we are going to declare. So go to local variable. Now see here, locals remaining same only. Remaining same only. Remaining so same only. So I declare locals variable. These are the local variable. So this variable we can use many times in our model. We can call many times wherever you want instead of repeating. We can same name multiple times within the model. We can declare the same name within the model anywhere. So how to call this one? If you want to call variables and all, we are using variable dot, right? Instead of variable, now we are using local. అర్థమవుతుందా? వాట్ కిరణ్ అసిస్ చంద్రశేఖర్ క్లియరా? So if you want to call any variable dot name. Now this is the local variable, right? If you want to call local variable, so we need to use local dot remaining same only. Local dot remaining same only. See here like this. So last interview also they asked this question. So what is the local variable? You know, right? Input variable, output variable. This is common. Everyone know. So, but local variable is the confusion. So, local variable is nothing but we can use same name multiple times within the model instead of repeating. So, your expressions and all instead of expression. Here also we know if you want to know more about see here. So, allowing to use it is allowing. So, same name in a expression allowing to be used multiple times within the model without repeating it. Without repeating it, and we can use same name multiple times within the model. Local variable can be helpful to avoid the repeating the same values. I don't want same values and variable is same only. So that case we can use. And if so our use whatever you want. And what is local variable? Currently Terraform does not allow variables distribution within the. This is your understanding. Go through this. And if you want to call, so like this we can declare and like this we can call. In module section, in modules, I will cover this one. How to declare the local variables and how it will use. I hope you got some idea, right? Practically, we'll see model section. I will explain how to declare, how to use. So this is very important question interview also. Most of the people they are asking so types of variables and mostly especially they are asking what is local variables. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt? Hello?
It's clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Just note it. This is very important. Now, so there is two more. Now I declare variables.df file. There is one more variables also we can declare. There is one more variables also we can declare. So that is terraform dot tf vars. See here how we can declare means variables. Here we can declare Terraform. Wait, where is this? I closed it down. Wait, let me open this one. Okay, I'll start. So as of now, I declare variable files only. So now here I declare type string like this blah blah blah, right? So I don't. There is a one more file we can. Where is this? Where is, here, variables, variables. Here we can declare local input variables and all and data source dash provisioners models not here this one only basic when prompt this is the with terraform vrs we can declare like this also now see here before that go to here first theoretically terraform they written anything basic variables now see here this is terraform variables only. After that, so when prompted, input variables assigned to when prompting. So that case, add new variables dot variable file, and so we can use variables dot tf named instead without okay. Input variable, so override default value hyphen variable. If you want to override any variable runtime, so if you want to override any variable at runtime, this is also we can use it. So this is the hyphen v. How we can pass means see here hyphen var equal to so instance count equal to one or instance type equal to so as of now default I declare this one right. Now if you understand here variables where is my file variables. Now see here. So here I declare region I given US East one. Region I given US East one. Okay. Now runtime I want to override. I don't want the US East one. In runtime I want to for example US West one. So that case, how to override this one? This is the syntax, guys. This is the syntax. If you want to pass, this is the syntax hyphen var, and so whatever you want, so we can give it. Whatever we want, so we can give it. Whatever you want, we can give. So hyphen v, for example, I want to change the region. What is the region? Region equal to I want US hyphen West hyphen 1. I hope you got it right. అర్థమైందా క్లియర్ ఎనీవన్ ఎనీ డౌట్ హలో సో రన్ టైమ్ సో ఇఫ్ you run this file which region it is coming now check it here if you go to your instance refresh it one instance is running refresh it one instance is running right so where it is running region which region it is running what is the region here go back and here also we can check it see here region also here also check it where it is running US East 1 right in variable file I declare US East 1 but runtime if you want to change I want to pass I want to override one time ask this question also I declare one variable here so this is also they asked so how to override variable at runtime So if you want to override at runtime, if you want to override at runtime, this is the syntax. What is the syntax? Hyphen var equal to. So which one you want to override? So as of now, just assume here, as of now, here I given, so this is for example, instance type I want to override. What is the instance type as of now? Instance type T2 micro, right? No, 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 Sarah. T2 micro is not enough for me. In variable, they declare T2 micro, but I want to override this T2 micro. Okay. So that case, what is this dev underscore, right? So this one, if you want to override, this is the syntax. So which is name we declare, and so that name we need to call. What is this name I given here? This is the instance underscore type, hyphen variable, instance hyphen underscore type equal to, I want to T2 medium instead of T2 micro, T2 medium. I hope you understand, right? But Ramya, clear. Runtime.
Yes, sir.
So generally, if you want to run on override runtime only, we can use -vr. In Ansible also we are using, right? Hyphen e,
Yes, sir.
we are passing extra whatever variable if you want to override, we are passing, right? This is Ansible. Same way in so Terraform, if you want to override -var. This is a variable, right? This is the key name and this is the value. This is the key name and this is the value. So anyone any doubt here? Now go to here. Now where we are, go to here. Now go to here. So this is runtime, and so we want to declare one more file. Create a resource, Terraform, apply variable, whatever you want. This is example, and this is environment variable. Linux only we can check it. Leave that one. We'll see. And this is the assign input variables from the terraform.tf vars. This is also one file. See here. What is terraform.tf files. So now in real time we are going to create this one also. So now check it. What is in Terraform file in Terraform. See here terraform.tf var file. So this is the terraform.tf var files input variable, output variable, local variable, and so they are declaring variable. Where is they declare arguments, default type, description, validate, sensitive, okay, constants, okay, string, number, boolean, list. We'll see later this one. Input variables, okay, custom validation rules. These are validation rules. We don't want. Where is that file? They declare and use case Terraform sensitive variable and input values. Now see here they are passing runtime. So Terraform apply -var equal to whatever you want, we can pass like this. Variables at the command line at runtime if you want to override. This is the variable definitions .tf file. See, to set lots of variables, it is more convenient to specify their variables in the variable definitions file. We can go for a TF file. We can go for so TF file. We can go for a TF file. So we can go for TF file. So now as of now, variable.tf file. So now if you want to declare there is a one more file. So that is the TF var files, variable definitions file. So what is TF? Variable definitions files means only here we are going to declare variables. See the set lot of variables. It is more convenient to specify the variables. So like this. So if you want to declare anything, so we can declare like this. See here, and I'm going to declare one more file. So try to understand. This is nothing, very simple only. So input variables from the Terraform var file, create a file name called tf.varfile file and defining variable. And if the file name is tf variable file, Terraform will auto load the variable so present in the this file, overriding the default values in the variable.tf file. Variable.tf file. Variable.tf file. Variable.tf file. Now see here, I am going to declare one more file. So this is the variable definition file. Same path only. Don't confuse here. Where I created, we can easily understand. Where is this? My folder is here. And so my classes here and variables. Here I am going to declare one more file. Here I am going to declare one more file. So what is the file name, guys? Default file name. Which file name I need to give? What is the file name? Terraform.tf_vars. This is the variable declaration file. So what is this file name? So notepad. This is the file name. Terraform dot. This is the default name. Terraform.tfvars. So now we have doubt. So is this default or we can change the file name? If you want to, we can change. Now check it. So now see here, this is also one file. This is also one file. So this is also one file. If you want to declare anything, variable definition file. So whatever we want, we can declare here. Whatever we want, we can declare here. For example, in real time, right? So we have dev environment, we have production environment, we have testing environment. So if you declare all variables, same file, there is some confusion, right? కమ్ టు అవర్ రియల్ టైం. సో రియల్ టైం మనకి ఎలా ఉంటాయి? సో ప్రొడక్షన్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది, ఫస్ట్ డెవ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్, కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ టెస్ట్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్, స్టేజ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్, ఈఎన్వి, ఫ్రాడ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. సో లైక్ దిస్ వీఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ మెనీ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్స్, రైట్? ఎస్ చంద్రశేఖర్, క్లియర్. ఆశిస్, రియల్ టైమ్ we are not maintaining only one environment, right? So we have multiple environments. ఇప్పుడు నాకు మల్టిపుల్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్స్ వేరియబుల్స్, ఎవ్రీ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్, జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్ సో 100 వేరియబుల్స్. If you declare all variables in same file, this is the file. As of now, we know this file, right? As of now, we know, so this is the file. What is file name? As of now, we know this is the file name. Wait, where is that file? Already my file, open file. This is file, right? So as of now, we know this file, how to declare variables and all. Now, I have four environments. Every environment, I have at least 50 to 100 variables. If I declare all variables here, there is some ambiguity, some confusion, right? Yes or no? అర్థమవుతుందా? హలో, ఐఎమ్ audible. What asks Kiran?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you see a confusion, right? So how to avoid? But real time anyway, we are maintaining separate file for each environment. Okay. Separate file for each environment. So if you want to maintain like this, and so real time we are maintaining like this. For example, dev underscore terraform dot tf var file. Test underscore we are maintaining a terraform dot tf var files. All dev related variables and all I am going to declare here. All test environment related variable I am declaring here. Next up, stage, like this. We are going to declare prod, right? So prod underscore terraform dot tf vars var files, like this. Now see here, very simple, right? For example, I asked, so Kiran, so go and add so two more variables in test environment. Okay. So now, so that guy directly open this file, they can add these variables, right? I hope you understand, right? Clear. For example, so go and so Ramya, so just add so few more variables in production environment. So here no confusion, no need to go dev environment, no need to go test environment. So directly, so we can open production environment and what are the variables we need for production environment. So that variables and all we can declare here. We can simply call it. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? So this is also okay. But here if you declare all variables, me confusing untunda undada. I want to change something. Yes, Karen? Clear. We can declare here also, no problem. It will work. But real time we have multiple files, we have multiple variables, so we have multiple environments, and multiple persons working parallelly. We are not one resource, right? మీరు ఒక్కరే వర్క్ చేస్తామంటే ఓకే యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండ్ బట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్ వర్కింగ్ ప్యారలీ సో దట్ కేస్ హౌ వీ కెన్ అప్డేట్ హౌ వీ కెన్ మెయింటైన్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఫైల్స్ so in that case in that case so to overcome this ambiguity problem and so clarity I want to maintain clear and that case so we should go for multiple files we are going to declare multiple files and we can easily call it. Anyone any doubt still? Why you go for one more file? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. So that case we can go for so multiple files and so default file name is variable.tf only. All variables if you want to we can declare so like this. Okay. Now I am going to one more file variable definitions and all variable definitions and all we can declare under this file and variable definitions and all and so we can create one more file .tf vars. See the name itself we can understand var variable definition files. Okay, whatever variables we have everything we can declare under this file. Now, this is also some all variables if you declare means that is also confusion, right? And in that case, I am going to declare as clear separation. See here, dev underscore terraform.tf files, test underscore terraform.tf files, tf file. Like this, I am going to split multiple files and I am calling to so those variables. Okay. So next class we'll see. We can easily understand. These are very important. And concept is very simple only. We need to understand why you go for why you need to split multiple files. If you write everything in one file, what is the problem? So now I declare only 5 variables, 10 variables, no problem. But real time we have 200 variables, 500 variables. In that case, if you want to search here, very difficult, right? If you want to modify, so maybe you can modify somewhere. We can modify other places also. To overcome that problem, we are going to split multiple files and we can easily understand that is clear separation. Clear? Anyone any doubt still? So next class we'll see how to declare that and all, how to run it. Simple only. We'll see next class. So